Hello everyone, I'm here to announce the winner of this little envelope notebook journal. It's just something small, and that's why I decided to make it a giveaway. I think I flipped through it all before, but if you haven't seen it, I'm just going to do a quick flip here. It opens up like that. There's actually quite a few pages to journal on. There's another vintage page, and then journal cards in here, and another tuck. This is a flap if you want to add something to the journal, something you want to put in there, you can. This is just a little journal card in this pocket, and there's this, what do you call those? Clusters. Yeah, it's not a paper clip, it's a cluster. And then this is a little pocket here with a vintage receipt. And then this pocket, and back here we have a pocket with a journal card in there. So it was a lot of fun. It didn't take a lot of time. And yeah, a little stamp on the back. Okay. So I've got the, I don't know if you can see it, but I've got my, let me get some iPad here. And I think I've entered everything that I want to enter. So now I have to push start. And I will do that right now. Okay, of course. The first YouTube video link, and press the button to get YouTube comments. Oh, I don't know now what happened. Show random comments. Get your comment. Oh, maybe I didn't get them yet. Okay, there's 21. Okay, then we go here, hopefully. This is the way it's been for me for days, trying to get this printer and stuff to work. I don't understand. I did this before. Add YouTube video link. Select YouTube giveaway setting, and filters did that. Select raffle and results setting. I think I did that. Press get YouTube comments, did that. Press start to select a winner. Okay, how can I not be able to do that? Gosh, I guess I just didn't press hard enough. Candace Estrada. She lives in Texas now. So Candace, when you see this, you're going to have to give me your new address, okay? So that's wonderful. Candace has been with me for a long time. She was even watching my videos when she was delivering her baby, her last baby. So, and she's probably like 3 years old now. Anyway, yeah, I'm so happy for Candace, and I am so thankful for all of you guys who subscribe and comment and all that. That's why I didn't make it a general, you know, a giveaway on the title, because I appreciate the ones that, you know, constantly watch. And they may not comment, but once you see that you need to comment, then they do. So I really, really, really appreciate you guys. So I'll let you go and wait for Candace to get hold of me. And let's see, what else? And I'll be back again with another video. Alrighty? Have a great day. Bye, guys.